Welcome back again sa Toledo Med. So ngayong araw na to i-discuss natin ang 4 treatments which are basically all machines, non-invasive and cost-effective. So ang first na gagawin natin is what we call the fat freezing. So yung fat freezing natin ay basically it's a cold sculpture. This will make you more smaller through the cooling process of the machine. So ang ginagawa nun is the energy that passes through the panel is a cold one and it freezes your fat and at the same time it eliminates your fats through your feces or through urination. So it's basically very good for those very fat area like for example sa tummy natin and at the same time doon sa thigh area natin. It has also a smaller panel for the arms or for the neckline area. So another treatment, we have the so-called lipocavitation in this area. The lipocavitation is an ultrasonic wave, so it has an ultrasound inside. It's much higher dosage than the normal or regular ultrasound. It is at 38 or 50 kilohertz. It passes through the dermis until the fat layer of the skin. So it's non-surgical, non-invasive. It also eliminates fats through the feces or through the urine. So sometimes you have different indication, we have different treatment. Our third treatment is the so-called radiofrequency. So what is all about this? This is a firming and sometimes used for skin sagging and lifting. So basically sa clinic namin ginagawa ito for the facial firming method. And our last treatment, which is the IPL or the intense pulse light, is used indicated for hair removal treatment. So basically it targets the hair follicle. So sometimes ang patient namin nag-expect in just 1 sessions, 5 sessions. But basically, we always recommend them a lot of sessions depending on the hair follicle and type of hair or color of the patient. So these are all non-invasive treatment that you can find here in Toledo Med. I hope naintindihan ninyo ang aming 4 treatments which are non-invasive. So I hope to see you in the future. Again, maraming salamat sa pakikinig at pakikisama sa amin dito lang sa Toledo Med Skin and Body Center.
On the web, www.toledomed.net.